Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Control Center immediately. On iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner, and on Touch ID devices, swipe up from the bottom. Once done, make sure Control Center is enabled in Settings Control Center so the interface appears. Now look for the grids of icons. These are your quick toggles. You'll notice brightness and volume sliders. Tap and hold to reveal more options. This step gets you into the control layer quickly, which saves time. Once inside Control Center, you customize and use widgets to match your workflow. You tap and hold icons. This expands them, revealing extra toggles, sliders, or presets. Next, open Settings Control Center to add or remove controls. Hit the plus or minus to reorder. Make sure to place frequently used items near the top for quick access. Also, use haptic or 3D touch where supported to reach deeper functions without leaving Control Center. This reduces steps and keeps you efficient. To finish, close Control Center by swiping up or tapping the screen outside the panel. You're done. If a control is missing, make sure it wasn't accidentally removed. Go back to Settings and re-add it. Once done, restart your phone if something still won't appear, because a quick reboot resolves many glitches. If individual controls act oddly, remove them and re-add them to reset their state. This last tip usually fixes the issue without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.